Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Ford Fusion door panel. Start by disconnecting the battery and removing interior trim screws, door handle bezel, and window switch panel. Pry the panel clips gently with a trim tool, lift the panel off the rails, and disconnect wiring harnesses. Keep screws and clips organized and inspect the vapor barrier before reassembly. Reverse steps to reinstall, testing switches and locks before finalizing. Gather tools like Phillips, Torx, a trim tool, and a panel popper before you begin. Work methodically from top to bottom, removing visible screws and lifting panels from corners. Watch for hidden fasteners behind caps and under armrests. Label wiring connectors and take photos to aid reassembly. Use gentle, even pressure to avoid cracking plastic, and replace any damaged clips to ensure a secure fit when putting the door panel back. Remove the speaker and mirror controls if they block access, and inspect the door latch linkage for interference. If a clip breaks, replace it before reattaching the panel to avoid rattles. Test the window and lock functions with the battery reconnected, but the panel loose to confirm proper electrical connections. Trim any torn vapor barrier tape and reseal gaps to prevent moisture damage and wind noise once the panel is reinstalled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.